Friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be discussing about the outlook of Nifty for next week. Plus, we will be analyzing some stocks which are giving some good potential risk to reward ratio setup for next trading session. So let's start with Nifty analysis. This is Nifty futures chart, 15-minute time frame. As you can see in my previous video, I have already discussed and analyzed this thing. That you see, if we draw simple trend lines, trend lines which are just following the price action. Sorry, not this one. Okay. If we try to fit in the trend lines, then we will see that the trend was too much steep here in this region. This region, the trend was very much steep. But once it went into, after 26th of September, the trend started to decrease. The trend intensity to the downside started decreasing. You see, the trend line slope has been decreasing altogether. So what does it indicate? It indicates that the momentum to the downside is somewhat slowing down. So in this case, we cannot expect a altogether reversal will be there, but we can still expect that we'll be getting some short covering. In short covering, the upside which you get is very much ferocious. So as we have seen yesterday, that once it was not able to sustain below this low, as I have already explained, that I am expecting a good trade to the upside instead of going short to the downside. So that's exactly what played out. I could not enter into any uh, intraday position in this situation yesterday, but on positional front, it was up. Right, I got the entry somewhere around here, and it's still in the long position. So if you want to understand and learn about the positional setup for Nifty or swing trading, which can be carried out until the stop loss gets hit, there is a system. If you want, please comment in the comment section, provide the interest that you want to learn that system, and I'll be showing the system to you. I'll be making a different video on that one. So as we can see, we have done a simple 20 moving average, and on a 15-minute time frame, this swing, which was around more than 2%, up yesterday, before this last blip in the later half of the session. Before that, it was up more than 200 points. So as you can see, it has already touched the 20 moving average, which is universally considered as a quite good support in case of uptrend and a quite good resistance in case of a downtrend. So as you can see, the momentum to the upside was very much high. We still expect that 20 moving average might not be sufficient to hold it. In that case, we may expect that it will be coming to somewhere around 50% of the retracement. Let's see. But still, I think that the trend in short term has gone to upside, and we may still see something like this. Now, this structure can be a down, gap down, or it can be a slow moving correction, whatever it can be. But I think after this rally, we will still see some correction, and once this correction gets its momentum over, then we will see a good rally. I think it will be a good rally to the upside for short covering. So we will be expecting what should we expect going forward. Now these are the areas which are having too much concentration of buyers. You see, too much concentration of buyers. Now once it was breached to the downside, seller. I mean, this is the area where flips have been happening. I mean, buyer seller competition was going on in this field. So this can be some area where this price can come and then retrace. So we'll be looking up into this area. All right. So this is the analysis of Nifty. Let's look at the stocks which we have selected for intraday or couple of days trading. First one is Tata Consumer Products. As we were expecting that it may show some downside, but still it did not come back and instead made a good upside momentum and broke this high. So we will be, the short term structure here has also changed into a buy mode. The buy can be, no, it's not a sell, it should be a buy. Buy could be initiated around 797.75, keeping the stop loss around 793 around here. This is small swing and target of 809.6. Another one is trend. Under we are under stock where we are looking for a small swing. This one, you see, swings have been going up, 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 up. So it's a down, not a downtrend, it's a uptrend. So buy could be initiated around 1412 in this area, SL around 1401.5 here, and target of 1438. 1 to 1 extension of this entire swing. Another one is United Spirits. This has given a nice structure to the upside, broken from here, and we still expect retracement around buying area of 835.4 with a stop loss of 825.75 and possible target of 857.85. This 0.85 and zero point 0.4 are not exact things. Nobody can provide these things. But you see, these are rough areas where you can initiate entry and you need to check on the lower time frame if the price is giving your confirmation. All right. Another one is Siemens. This thing, if it is completed here, then we can expect a retracement around here. That buy could be around 2735 with a stop loss of 2704 and target will be of 2809. Again, as I said, you need to be double sure after the correction has been over. You will have to analyze on lower time frame if it starts to align in the this is the trend, and once this correction goes on, then you need to wait that this alignment happens. You need to enter here or here. You see, so this alignment you need to wait for a better entry. So these were the stocks, guys, for coming trading session, which should be taken on to watch list and consideration and can provide a good risk to reward setup. So this is all for this current video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. If you like the content, please provide your feedback in the comment section. If you have any query, please like the video and share it with your friends so that maximum people can get the content which I'm sharing. Till then, thank you very much.